Thank you for taking the time to meet with us today. I'd like to use the whiteboard instead of PowerPoint. Is that okay? Great. We know you invited us to share how SAP S4HANA can enable your digital transformation. But before we do that, I'd like to confirm your objectives for the meeting today. Is there anything else you would like to cover today? Complexity is hindering business growth. Underpinning the digital economy is a vast infrastructure that is inherently complex. However, too much complexity manifests itself in lack of innovation or terrible customer service. This is a significant problem, causing real and quantifiable business damage today, according to a survey of 750 business managers conducted in 2015 by the Harvard Business Review. The scope and severity of the complexity challenge is harming organizations where it hurts the most: future growth. An overwhelming 86% of the managers surveyed felt their business processes and decision-making had become so complex as to hinder their ability to grow in a digital economy. The hidden costs of complexity are high. According to the Global Simplicity Index, the top 200 global companies lose 10%, or $240 billion in profits every year due to the hidden costs of complexity. In a global survey by Harvard, business leaders were asked how well their organization performed relative to companies in their sector in terms of innovation. 90% of respondents identified their organization as a non-innovator in their sector. Based on these facts, I think we can agree that complexity hinders a company's ability to innovate, especially in today's digital economy, where innovation is key to generating new product and revenue streams. But before we surrender to complexity and give up, let's recognize that we are witnessing truly disruptive market trends, which give us unprecedented opportunities to innovate and succeed in the digital economy. Every consumer and every machine is connected, disrupting established rules around business channels. Connectivity drives the movement of goods, services, people, knowledge, and wealth. Connecting the world with roads, shipping routes, railways, and airports was a key enabler to the movement of goods and knowledge during the industrial age. These connections were directly related to massive wealth creation. By the end of the decade, 212 billion things, from cars to heavy equipment to consumer appliances, will be connected to the internet. This exponential hyperconnectivity is driving new channels to reach customers and new ways to optimize assets. The Internet of Things will create over $6 trillion in economic opportunities by 2025. The limits of 20th century computing power are gone. Networking and in-memory computing allow for the creation of infinite new business opportunities. Large-scale in-memory computing is a breakthrough that collapses transactional and analytical processing into a single platform, dramatically reducing cost and enabling massive business simplification and value creation. The new outcome-based economy replaces products and services with outcomes. Smarter robots, smarter printing, artificial intelligence, and smarter products will completely reshape value chains, industries, and, ultimately, the world. Breakthrough technologies have matured and hit scale together, enabling these defining trends. We are witnessing an era where you, as a business, can truly out-innovate the competition if you have the right solutions in place. To help solve complexity and transition you into the digital economy, SAP has built a structured framework to think through how to develop and execute on your digital business strategy, the Digital Business Framework. With this framework, your entire value chain will be digitized, including the core, which serves as the platform for innovation and business process optimization. Every company urgently needs to develop a digital strategy across these 5 pillars: outcome-based customer experiences, re-platform core business processes, and bringing together business process and analytics in real time to be smarter, faster, and simpler. Smarter and engaged workforces across all employees and contractors. Supplier collaboration to accelerate growth innovation. Harnessing the Internet of Things and big data to drive real-time insights and new business models. We are introducing the SAP S4HANA Enterprise Management Solution, which represents a core solution covering all mission-critical processes of an enterprise. With SAP S4HANA Finance, you ensure one source of the truth for finance and operational data. With SAP S4HANA HR, simply manage your entire workforce, from employees to contingent workers, with a complete system of engagement. With SAP S4HANA Sourcing and Procurement, you get a holistic procurement platform for direct materials, indirect goods, services, contingent labor, and travel. With SAP S4HANA Asset Management, you can simulate maintenance strategies with respect to cost, risk, and performance. With SAP S4HANA Manufacturing, identify and prioritize your most critical material issues, options, and consequences. With SAP S4HANA Supply Chain, master uncertainty. Support monthly supply and operations planning cycles with real-time data and what-if scenarios. With SAP S4HANA Sales, you streamline quotes, contracts, prices, commissions, and deliveries. With SAP S4HANA Service, deliver real-time service excellence and targeting off the aftermarket sales and service on customer assets. With SAP S4HANA Marketing and Commerce, consolidate customer information into one enriched view and leverage advanced analytics to gain insights. With SAP S4HANA R&D, you get a single source of live product information. S4HANA is natively designed with the SAP Fiori UX. The Fiori concept, fundamentally, is a simplification of the user experience. It reflects a paradigm shift for delivering a holistic and consistent user experience that is centered only on the tasks and activities that matter to the personal needs of the end user. The SAP Fiori UX relies on modern design principles, including role-based, design for you, your needs, and how you work. Responsive, provides instant access to any business insight, and simple, focuses on what's important. S4HANA comes with innovative and feature-rich applications and coverage for 25 industries that make it simple to get any insight on any data from anywhere in real time. You can now predict, plan, simulate, and execute on the fly at the highest level of granularity to drive faster business impact. With the in-memory platform, you have a much smaller data footprint. By storing a single copy of data in memory and eliminating the needs for aggregates, materialized views, and indexes. The in-memory platform is robust and scalable, with simple data structures that allow you to create your own powerful business applications, extremely high performance, offering a single source of truth, with flexible consumption from apps and devices. Deployment options include on-premise, cloud, and also a blend of both. SAP S4HANA is the digital core for digital business designed to help companies to reimagine business in the digital economy. Now customers can go beyond traditional transactions and drive end-to-end digitized processes based on a single source of instant insight from planning, execution, prediction, simulation, and analysis, all in real time with one system. Leveraging SAP S4HANA, organizations are realizing the benefit of a digital core that allows their enterprise to be intermediate, empowering business users with insights to act in the moment, intelligent, beyond automation, to predictive suggestion, and integrated, not only between your departments, but connected to the world. SAP S4HANA core capabilities allow you to expand digital transformation to reach all corners of your enterprise. With SAP SuccessFactors and Fieldglass cloud solutions, you can recruit and onboard the best workforce, simplify their work, and ensure regulatory and compliance. Manage the total workforce lifecycle, from recruiting, onboarding, performance, compensation, and learning. You can enable your workforce to easily access the right information from any device. With SAP Ariba and SAP Fieldglass, collaborate with suppliers. You can leverage the broadest business network and end-to-end source-to-procure processes, manage costs, and drive innovation with your suppliers in all categories of spending, materials, services, labor, T&E, and drive solution adoption and purchasing compliance globally with easy-to-use applications and mobile apps. With SAP Hybris, you can deliver new experiences to your customers. You can orchestrate business processes across marketing, commerce, sales, and service. Deliver personalized experiences and context for each interaction. Build a golden customer profile with an enriched view of the customer from multiple data sources. SAP HANA Cloud Platform allows enterprises to manage their assets more effectively. Drive new business insight by capturing and analyzing real-time information on big data. Embed device data across the value chain to create new business models. Leverage an open innovation platform to quickly integrate, extend, and build innovative apps on-premise or in the cloud. All of these SAP Cloud solutions are natively integrated with S4HANA. Reimagine your business models. S4HANA makes it simple to connect to people, devices, and business networks in real time to unlock the potential of the digital economy. It allows you to deliver new experiences and value to customers. The Internet of Things and big data become accessible to any business. No more complex business collaboration and interactions. Reimagine your business processes. S4HANA makes it simple to focus on the essential tasks in real time and gain flexibility and agility to change business processes as needed for new efficiencies. No more extensive batch processing. Reimagine your business decisions. S4HANA makes it simple to get any insight on any data from anywhere in real time. Planning, execution, prediction, and simulation are now all done on the fly at the highest level of granularity to drive faster business impact. No more complex data consolidation through Microsoft Excel. Companies like Memebox, Sabre, and OC Tanner have already realized tremendous benefits with SAP S4HANA. For example, with ambitious expansion plans, Memebox needed a stable and agile IT foundation that would deliver short time to value. They chose the SAP S4HANA Finance to provide clear visibility into logistics operations while allowing the company to expand on a single platform as they globalize. By leveraging the speed of SAP HANA and rebuilding the core code block including organizational hierarchies, the Sabre Group can now manage their business in a more transparent way. The journey to a new digital core helps OC Tanner to increase business agility and provide a better customer experience, including how to drive customer interactions, flexible product configurations, and integrated sales processes. As next steps, we would suggest a discovery meeting to understand your use cases, business processes, and technical environment. We also offer value assurance services, a structured 4-phased approach that provides decision-making clarity for embarking on your digital journey. This approach is intended to uphold SAP's value promise as it relates to SAP S4HANA from the moment a customer commits to beyond go live. We also provide business scenario recommendations, a report you can get by spending just 5 minutes to share your company information. This personalized report uses your current SAP usage information to help you identify the most valuable digitized business scenarios for your enterprise. We have over 3,000 SAP S4HANA clients today and over 7,000 customers on the HANA platform. We can set up a customer visit with an existing SAP S4HANA customer in your industry with a company of your size and business complexity. This will allow you to better understand the ROI our solution offers. Which one shall we schedule today?